Right way to hire cloud developers for remote tasks. By Procoders. Cloud development is an integral part of any business that wants to compete in today's market. Businesses are finding themselves having to hire cloud developers so they can focus on the core strengths of their business. However, what should you know to find cloud developers for hire? You must understand if it is really required and what will your company get out of it. This guide will help you to hire cloud developers and use the applications for your business. Benefits for your company when hiring cloud developers. Cut down on costs. Cloud computing has been a key component in helping many businesses cut down on costs while still being able to access important information. Instead of paying for massive servers that have to be rented, you can now store your data, managed and deployed by skilled professionals. Hiring cloud developers is a wonderful cost-saving measure. This helps you to cut your costs of hardware, software, and maintenance. Secure data. Developers are responsible for building secure systems. However, these responsibilities vary according to your company's requirements. Usually, cloud developers are responsible for protecting the system right to the use point. That's not typically the case for other developers, since they don't have any responsibility to host the apps they build. Streamlined operations. Even if your cloud system is hosted by a vendor, hiring a cloud developer can help you to scale the application. Such a professional would know how to extend the functionalities of the system in a way that enhances business operations. Essentially, a cloud developer analyzes your business model to create tailor-made cloud applications. Skills and experience of a cloud developer. Programming. Cloud developers for hire usually have good programming skills, such as different languages and frameworks, as well as other tools useful in general programming. API design. API design is the ability to structure the cloud services and create APIs from them. Developers are usually able to approach API using different methods: REST, RPC, and GraphQL. In a simple sense, cloud developers, in designing APIs, define and fine-tune relations between various entities and systems. Security. Expert cloud developers typically possess a good understanding of the latest security methods and approaches to prevent unauthorized access to applications. To prevent unauthorized access to applications, hire a cloud developer that possesses a good understanding of the latest security methods and approaches. Freelance websites to hire cloud application developer. TopTal. After speaking to a TopTal expert and discussing your project objectives, you get matched to the right talent within an average of 24 hours. Because of TopTal's exclusive model, its prices are somewhat steep. If you are looking for affordable options to hire cloud developers, you might want to look elsewhere. Upwork. Upwork is a great place to find developers, programmers, engineers, and designers for your next project. The site, which is perhaps the most popular freelance platform in the world, has thousands of talented professionals ready to work on your next project. All that you have to do is post a job and wait for developers to bid on your project. Hubstaff Talent. Hubstaff Talent is an online marketplace that connects businesses with the world's best freelance talent. Hubstaff Talent is built by Hubstaff, the leading cloud-based time tracking software for remote teams. Like Upwork, Hubstaff Talent lacks a rigorous vetting process, and you should consider alternatives if you want to hire top talents. Hire a cloud developer by an outstaffing company. You get to offload your complex projects to a trusted, secure outstaffing company, and you get a team of experienced cloud developers who are committed to making your company grow. That frees up your in-house resources, allowing them to focus on what they do best. Conclusion. In the last few years, the number of organizations that have invested in cloud technologies has increased tremendously. Cloud computing changed the way businesses operate and deliver services to their customers. Contact us today to get all the benefits of hiring cloud developers for your project. Subscribe our channel and read more about right way to hire cloud developers for remote tasks at Procoders blog.